Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious yogurt popsicles. To begin, gather your core ingredients. You'll need about 1 1/2 cups of creamy yogurt, which forms the base of our treat. Next, incorporate 1/4 cup of a natural sweetener, such as honey or maple syrup, to achieve the perfect sweetness. Finally, a dash of vanilla extract, approximately 1 teaspoon, will elevate the overall flavor profile, making these popsicles truly irresistible. Now, let's infuse some exciting flavors and textures into our yogurt mixture. Incorporate about 1 cup of your preferred fresh or frozen fruit. Berries or mango work wonderfully. For an added nutritional boost and a pleasant textural contrast, stir in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. These tiny seeds absorb liquid and create a delightful pop. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice, roughly 1 teaspoon, will also brighten all the flavors beautifully. With all your ingredients ready, it's time to bring everything together. Use a spoon or whisk to thoroughly combine the yogurt, sweetener, fruit, and any other additions until the mixture is smooth and consistent. Once blended, carefully pour the delicious concoction into your popsicle molds, filling each cavity to about 1/4 inch from the top. Don't forget to insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold, ensuring it stands upright. The final step is the most patient one: freezing. Place your filled popsicle molds into the freezer and allow them to solidify for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours. For best results, an overnight freeze is often ideal, ensuring they are perfectly firm. When you're ready to enjoy your homemade treat, briefly run the outside of the mold under warm water for about 10 to 15 seconds. This helps release the popsicle easily, ready for you to savor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.